Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's Pearl and you're watching Journey to Home Sweet Home. And today I have another Costco grocery haul for you. Starting over here, I bought some French's ketchup. I believe it was $5.79 or $5.49, which is a really good buy. And it's also a 2-pack. Then I bought some Ocean's pink salmon. This is the French side, but it is pink salmon. And there's 6 inside. I believe it was $15.99, I believe, which is an okay price. Okay, then I bought some Twinings Earl Grey tea. There's 144 tea bags in this package. And so the cost of this box is $11.89. When I used to buy it before, it used to cost 10 something, but obviously inflation and all that, the price has risen a little bit. Moving on, I also picked up this 50-pack of Oasis juice. We usually buy Minute Maid because that's what's usually on sale for $1.99, but this was $9.99, so it works out to be $1.99 per 10 pack. So it's a great deal. And usually Oasis does not go on sale often here. It's usually the Minute Maid, and I prefer the Oasis. Okay, then I bought some croissants. They were $5.99. As you can see, we opened it. We had a few. But these are really good. I like how they're crunchy a little bit on the outside. Not fully crunchy, but like, you know, some parts of the croissant are crunchy, but the inside is soft. Then I bought some Dempster's hot dog bread. Okay, this is a package of 12, and the pack had 2 packages of these inside. 2 packages of 12. But what I did was I opened the bag and I took one package out and I already put it in the freezer. And you'll see that with all my breads today, just because it is late. It was late when we went out to Costco. And we came back around 9 o'clock, and I didn't want to go back out to the garage, which is where our freezer is, and I do freeze our bread. So I will take out a package, we will use that, and then freeze the rest, and as we need it, we'll just bring it into the kitchen fridge. And it thaws out there, or we leave it on the kitchen counter to let it thaw, depending on how quickly we want to use it. So 2 packages of these were $5.99. Okay, then I got some Dempster's, and this is, again, 12 grain bread. I think I showed this in my last haul as well. So my husband mainly uses this, but sometimes I like to have some of it as well. And again, this came in multiple package. So there was 3 packages of these breads in that package. So really good, awesome buy, because that works out to be $2 a loaf, and rarely does it ever go on sale for that in the regular supermarket. Okay, then I bought Dempster's 100% whole wheat. This bread has grown on me. And I find that it's better than the Wonder Bread now. Wonder Bread used to be really good, but I just found over the last, I don't know, 6 months or so, that the bread has gone down in quality. When I buy the bread, it breaks apart. So, you know, like the top, the crust will break off of the bread, you know, just me removing it out of the bag, and it's just crumbling. So I don't know why that is. So I decided to switch to the Dempster's 100% whole wheat, and it's great because we get that at Costco. Then I bought some meat. Now at our local grocery store, there is chicken. They have chicken on sale, and so I decided to buy the chicken that is not on sale at the grocery store, which is chicken wings and chicken thighs. So I bought 2 packages of chicken thighs, and these are $23.69, and I think the other one is also 23 something. This is the Kirkland's brand meat, and it has, you know, like this package has 1.82 kilograms. So decided to buy that because we do use a bit of boneless, skinless chicken thighs in our meals. The chicken thighs that are on sale are the ones with the bone in and the skin on, which I use for curry, and that works out really great for me. So I will be going to, it's actually no frills, so I'll be going there and picking up chicken. But in the meantime, I have this, and I have chicken wings, which is $20.54 for this package, and this is 2.056 kilograms. I don't know what it works out in pounds. You can convert it to get an idea, but that's the weight of it. Okay, then I bought some Natural Selections deli meat. You guys have seen this so many times in my hauls. This is the turkey. My husband likes to put this on sandwiches, and my son doesn't mind. Then I bought some bananas, again 3 pounds like the last time, and these bananas were $1.59, so pretty good buy here. Okay, then I bought some strawberries. Now these are 2 pounds for $5.99. Not the greatest deal, however Costco strawberries are always, well, usually always sweet, and so I have faith in these that these will be really good. Then I bought some Lay's classic chips. I believe that was $4.99. And then I bought some Ruffles, that was also $4.99. And then I bought some Tostitos, which were also $4.99. So $4.99 for all of these. And like I said, this lasts for a while. Not the whole month, but it does last for a while. And I like to give my kids these once in a while, either for school or as an after school. They come home and they want chips. I have a teenager now. I'd rather buy it and give it to them than them go out and spend $2 or $3 on a bag of chips, a small bag of chips out there. So I'd rather buy it and then they can eat it in moderation. So I paid $173.56. That includes tax, and that's pretty good for this trip. So I'm pretty happy with what we got. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed this haul. If you did, please hit the like button. Until next time, take care and be well on your journey to home sweet home. Thanks guys for watching. Bye-bye.